abroad not easy, oh. Abroad not easy. You no go, no know. You no go, no know. You no know as it be. This video, it make me laugh when I see for TikTok. Most of una don't still see the video, It make me laugh for real. Hello, people. Hello, TikTok people. I don't know as TikTok say they work, oh. Mona no verse. Okay? May we gist. This video where I see for TikTok, most of una don't see, and the thing make me laugh well. Abroad not easy, for real. Who not go, you not know. Now be abroad. Who not go, you not know. You know, say when people where they abroad, they tell those people where they Nigeria say, it's not easy, oh. They will say, it's not easy. Why you not come? Why you not come sit down for the Niger? May all of us gather there. It dey happen. This video, me I play for now. I really laugh.
When why beg you? Usani mo sebe webo obungbe. Was standing now. Ubere ya mena, uwa me yena. Imoto no egba me nyame mama si. Ya when ka made a mistake.
No be lie.
Itaye keme also talk guy. Itaye keme so talk. The Canary, webe wa. Wema wa.
For where?
Egbo webe na egbo. Okay. The Canary meso. When you never go when you get down. Get down, get in your way. You don't call him. I don't know, brother. Send me 1,000 naira. My brother, my sister. 15 naira. 15 naira. I promise you, when that there you want you. I mean, I tell you,
Maybe when I see this video, laugh walking my enemy. When I see this video, I was like, oh my God. You see, this our brother will do the video now, Maybe the time when you see the Nigeria, when they go see the tell and say, it's not easy, oh. This one, you go to say, I beg you, this one. But you don't use the eye, don't say sian. You don't see no, say, this abroad, who not go, you not know. Some people there will be say, this abroad, the time when they're in Nigeria, they'll say, if I just reach there, I give myself only 6 months. I give myself maybe 1 year. If I just reach there, I go do one, I go make calm. That one when they talk, I don't even care self. I go they sleep inside car. No say, will not make you away, boo. Oh, wana mala, I na boy. If you never enter inside, you know as it be. Me I play for na again. When I see the video for TikTok, I laugh, I say, oh my God, this one I will they pass through for abroad. Though. Maybe the time when they even they tell land, you know go yeah, you go say ewe boni waje, I go that abroad. When you go call, you go not say na tie baba ria tije. Be I play for na again.
Nana tamawa when why beg you. Usani mo sebe webo obungbe. Was standing now. Ubere ya mena, uwa me yena. Imoto no egba me nyame mama si. Ya when ka made a mistake.
Abi.
Itaye keme also talk guy. Itaye keme so talk. The Canary, webe wa. Wema be wa.
Na wa ma be le.
Webe na egbo. Okay. The Canary meso. When you never go when you get down.
5 minuti.
Get down, get in your way. No call him. I don't know, brother. Send me 1,000 naira. My brother, my sister. 15 naira.
5 minuti.
I promise you, where there you want you.
Abi.
I mean, I tell you, you are it.
My people that don't see the video make me laugh. Anyway, I just say hi to everybody. Happy Christmas in advance. I will still come by Christmas. I can still greet you now. Abroad no easy. Who not go, you don't know as it be. When you don't come, you go come know as it be. We wait there inside, we don't know as it be. We go see the manager and they go. So thank you for being here. I appreciate each and everyone. I just say, let me say hi to my people waiting for TikTok. Now, no, say I know they understand this TikTok like that, and they prefer me and they go Facebook. Wanna still follow me for my Facebook? Oh. Follow me on my Facebook also, Untouchable Mama or Untouchable Mama backup page. You can see me there also. I see there for YouTube, Unto Mama. Let me get them. All right. One love, keep us together. Bye for now. I appreciate each and every one. Bye.